Welcome. In this guide, I'll show you how to allow anyone to add you to groups on WhatsApp web using the latest update. This is a handy feature for simplifying group management and enhancing collaboration. Here's how to do it. 1. Open WhatsApp web. Start by opening WhatsApp web on your computer. 2. Go to Settings. On the left side of the screen, look for the gear icon and click on it to access the Settings menu. This icon is usually located near your profile picture and status. 3. Enter Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy. This section allows you to manage your privacy settings, including who can add you to groups. 4. Scroll down to Groups within the privacy settings. Scroll down until you find the Groups option. This setting controls who has the ability to add you to WhatsApp groups. 5. Choose Everyone. Tap on the Groups option to see the available choices. Everyone, My Contacts, and My Contacts Accept. To allow anyone to add you to groups, select Everyone. That's it. You've successfully enabled the option for anyone to add you to groups on WhatsApp Web 1. This can make it easier for friends, family, and colleagues to connect with you on the platform.